Business proposal for franchisee. AAA Rooms and Stays Private Limited. Objectives of our company: to provide affordable hotel bookings to the guest, to support the owners with factual data, and optimize room bookings, to eradicate the monopolization of OTA and aggregators, to develop fair competition among the hotel owners and provide the actual rate which they deserve. The TAC, Travel Agent's Commission, plus the rack rate is the net rate which the guest of the hotel pay. The Travel Agent's Commission ranges from 15% to sometimes a whopping 30%. This cost is not borne by the hotels, but has to be paid by the guest. At AAA, we would like to eradicate this commission, so that the guests pay the rack rate, which is lesser than the actual rate available in the market. Methodology of our company. The company will comprise of following departments: Head Office, Marketing and Executive Department, IT Department, Accounts Department, Advertisement Department. All these departments will be functioning under the head office. They will have their individual working specification and description. They will function under the guidelines of the company. The head office will be located in Mysore and will be the main source of communication between all the departments and the hubs. Execution will only has to be done via head office. The contracts will also be signed under the head office name. The amount that has to be paid by the hotel will be deposited in the company account. The head office will have Accounts Department, Media Department, Advertisement Department, Legal Department, Marketing and Executive Department or the franchisees. This department is the front face of the company and are responsible in getting all the requirements necessary for the execution of the job. This department will be subdivided into state hubs, city hubs or called the franchisees. Duties are as follows: explain all the details to the hotels and get the hotels registered in an agreement with the company. Shoot the photos and videos of the hotel as per guidelines. Send the data along with the photo and videos of the hotel to the head office. Install the name and reception board in all the hotels. Keep account details of all the hotels in close coordination with the head office and provide details of non-payments etc. Attend to all customer grievance in their individual hubs allotted. Provide training to all the hoteliers of how to use the app and software of the company. Features of our app and software. Booking portal. We provide a medium in which the hotels can earn their booking with minor alteration. Data of tourism. We provide data regarding tourism. Every second. The average rate in the city. Number of tourists arrived. Type of tourist etc. Hotel management software. The hotels can utilize our cloud-based software for their day-to-day functioning. Advantages of AAA. Provide booking to the hotels without commission. Provide tourism data to the hotel every minute. Simple hotel management software. Payment will be direct from the guest to the owners. We provide 150% booking guarantee to the guest. The ranking will be based on the price, hence resulting in a competition among the owners if they're hotels. The price of the rooms will be set by the hotels and not by the travel agent. There is no external investment in the company. Thus the survival of the company does not depend on one individual. Financial earnings and expenses of the franchisees. The company works in a decentralized manner, which means major decisions are taken by the hubs. The revenue is prepaid. That is, hotels will pay in advance and use our services. How the franchisees earn. Cost per hotel multiplied by the number of hotels is equal to the total earnings of the hub. With the deduction of expenses and GST, we obtain net rate. The cost per hotel is fixed for all hotels by the head office. Expenses will be the deduction of the salary that is paid to the main accountant and the evaluation employees in the head office and any other joint expenses. Remember, the expenses do not include franchise's office expenses. Whatsoever has to be borne by the franchisees. After deduction of the expenses, you will get net income, in which 40% will be deducted by the Information Technology Department, and balance 60% will be deposited in the franchisee's account. Initial investment by the franchisees. Set up an office, as per the theme and guidelines of the company. Obtain license from the local government authority. Purchasing staff uniform. Getting agreement papers for hotel registration. Preparing hotel name and reception board. Photo and video coverage cost. Any other cost for the functioning of the franchisees. How to get the franchisee. First, you will be interviewed by the employee of the head office. He will forward you the business proposal. Go through it. If any clarification, please do call them. After the acceptance of the business proposal, the company will forward you the agreement contract. Kindly go through the contract and get legal advice. Once the terms of the contract are accepted, one of our executive will visit your premises for physical verification of your documentation and office. After the verification is completed, the contract has to be printed on a 100 rupees stamp paper obtained from the bank. This agreement paper has to be stamped with the franchisee's seal and the notary seal, then sent to the head office. At the head office, the contract will be attested by the company seal and duly signed by the CEO. The original copy will be sent back to the franchisee, and duplicate copy will be maintained in the head office. The head office will send you the copy of incorporation of the company by the Ministry of Commerce, Government of India, and a GST certificate for tax purpose. The franchisee now have to set up their office according to the theme and guidelines sent earlier, and obtain a trade license for travel agency from the local government authority. The details of the name board, visiting cards, identity cards, uniform etc. will be sent to the franchisees, which have to be procured. At this stage the training session begins. The theoretical training will be for a period of 15 to 21 days. In this period you will be trained how to approach the hotel, attitude, aptitude, tactics etc. Then training of the software and app will begin. This will last for 10 to 15 days. Here, in-depth details and the usage of the app and software will be taught. At the end, an ID and password for all the franchisees will be provided. Now you are ready to take on the hotels. Remember, to obtain the franchisee, you do not have to pay for the company. Hope we have solved all your queries. If still you have doubts, contact 7204006764 or 8421380621.